guys, and welcome back to another day of Vlogtober. Alright y'all, so today, good morning by the way. Yeah, today I'm going to be trying out my new coffees that I purchased the other day. And yeah, I just wanted to try to make some drinks at home so I didn't have to always go to Starbucks to get good drinks. So let's go see what they hitting on, honey. Alright, so we have the caramel macchiato. This is the Starbucks brand. And this is cold brew coffee, pumpkin spice latte with almond milk. All right, so we're gonna start with the caramel. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of caramel at the bottom. All right, so and then I'm gonna put a little bit on the sides as well, because you can never have too much caramel. That's a lot of caramel. All right, let's shake this up real good. All right, let's pour a little bit of that in here. All right, then we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more caramel on top. Alrighty, let's give it a try.
This is red.
I feel like
red.
I probably should have put more caramel.
Color red. Do you know colors?
It's good though.
It's red.
I just think I need more caramel in it. Let me try to mix it in the bottom.
This is black. Color black.
Okay, that's better. All right, y'all, now we're about to do our pumpkin spice latte. Of course, I'm going to put the caramel at the bottom again because that's my favorite part.
Mama,
Yes.
the white penny here.
Okay. I'll put a little bit on the sides.
Yay! Good job!
Alright, got a little wavy action there. That's a little bit more of that. Alright, then we're gonna do whipped cream on top of this. And then I'm gonna put pumpkin spice on top. Alrighty, let's give it a try. Stir it up at the bottom this time. Get that caramel going in the bottom. Alright. Oh, this is good. This is really good. All right, let me stir it up some more. Whip it like they do at Starbucks. All right, now let me try. Oh yeah, that is really good. I think I'm gonna give them both a 10 out of 10. All right, so y'all, I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to find us a new park to go to. I done been to a few parks out here, but I'm just gonna try to find another park because I really just want to get a walk in today and just get some fresh air. Y'all, I've been watching this Dave Chappelle special on Netflix, and this man he is cutting up. Now y'all know how Dave Chappelle is already. It's the Closer stand-up show that he got. It's a new one that he has on Netflix, and it is hilarious. But this man here is pushing the limits. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all at the park. Everybody ready to run? Have some fun?
Run. I have Crocs on.
You ready to get out? Okay. Yeah, you can run and be free here. I don't have to chase you at this place, okay? What you gonna do? You ready? Feel shitty.
I said shifty.
Oh, you said feel shitty.
Mom, why you always want me to curse? Like,
Carmen?
I don't even do that.
Because you cuss.
No, I said it one time.
Carmen cusses, y'all. Like, I caught her saying the F word. Whoa, look at that spider web.
Dang!
That thing is huge. Can y'all see it? Y'all probably can't even see it.
You see the spider?
Where's the spider?
Oh my god. For me?
Yeah,
You got too much protection on your arm.
Not even that hot.
It feels so good.
Do you want to take your thing while we here? Back to the car.
He got a shirt on.
He got a hoodie on.
It's not that hot.
All right. He said he ain't that high. We'll see. We gotta see how we get through here. Make sure we can come through this way.
Right there.
Right where? Oh, I
I know
see.
you-
They
And there's
have
another
trails
animal.
out here? Jesus Christ. What's up with these spiders? You know what? I'm not about to be hunting spiders. What you want? More parts? Good, because I don't feel like pushing her. That's all she want to do. This is perfect.
For us.
I don't have to stand at the swings all day. Y'all, when we go to the park, Zora always wants to just stay on the swings. They better have no swings over there. You're talking about it's another park. We don't need no swings. Zora will literally have me standing at the swings with her. Like, the sun will be beaming on my back. And she will have me standing at the swings. Like, I'll try to talk her into going to the slides. And we'll go back to the swing. They're trying to find another swing. I don't care. I don't care. Ain't no swings over here. She can just play at this playground. It's nice and shaded over here too, which is really nice. Want me to help you? All right, come on. Give me a hand. Okay. All right.
This fun is so much fun.
Y'all trying to do an obstacle course? Y'all are not too big for the obstacle course. I still got y'all on camera the last time we did the obstacle course. Hold on, let me go help Zora.
Come on, go.
I used to take them to the park and create like obstacle courses for them and like time them.
Ready?
All right, ready?
Ready?
I used to time them and then, come on, I got you. I used to time them and then they would just pretty much do the obstacle course one at a time. Kind of like how you would do it like field day or something. So I would have them doing it at the park and we'll leave and they'll be like knocked out when we get to the house. That was fun, right? So this what y'all do?
This one used to be popular. Watch, you see how many times you failing? Watch.
I thought y'all was good.
Let me see if I can get 3 in a row.
You let it go like weird.
I just wanna pleasure, check my catalog.
Bet. Ah, she's down. Nah. Don't hold up now. Something biting. Something biting over here. They got them biters out. I sprayed before I left the house. Oh my God, the birds are chirping.
Somebody told me that they put cameras at the park to see how humans react.
No, they put cameras to see if y'all gonna steal stuff. I'm stuck. Oh,
That's too big.
I just gonna have to use my weight.
It's hard. Hey, whoa.
Oh gosh. Uh-oh.
Sorry, get on this one.
It's on the mean girl.
Get on this one here.
You can't race me.
Well, you get smoked when
She said, you should got key. All right, we about to head out. Come on, Zora, let's go. All right, y'all, we are about to head out. I'll see y'all when I get home. Come on, this way. All right, y'all, we're back. As you can see, we went to Popeyes. This is what they gave me when I asked for honey and hot sauce. We got some red beans. Is this red beans and rice?
Mm-hmm.
Did they get new containers?
Yeah, they got new everything. Oh,
okay.
that is not.
Yeah, that's how it looks.
It's white rice.
You gotta mix it.
Mm.
And then it looked like they gave me a box
Look
of
at this
biscuits. Girl, this bag is coming. It's supposed to be a 4-piece. I guess that's the 4-piece. These little baby pieces right here. My mama love them wings. This
What?
is your mashed potatoes. Did you want them?
Mm-hmm.
She got braces, y'all. She just got her braces on the bottom. Did they tighten your top?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why she scheduled it for December, not November.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So they just did it all at once.
Yeah.
Y'all don't have to sleep. Show them the Halloween style. She got Halloween. And then I got some sweet tea. I didn't even know they had these new cups. I think it makes the sweet tea taste much better because before it wasn't hitting on nothing. All right, yeah, so I'm about to eat my chicken, edit this video, and call it a night. All right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell because I will be dropping videos every week and you don't want to miss those uploads. Until next time, bye.